Hello guys, I'm going to cook pork delicious calderita for our dinner. First thing, add 2 tablespoons of oil and stir fry the potato and also carrots. I slice 1 medium potato and 2 pieces of carrots. And stir fry like half cooked and add the pork meat of 1 tablespoon of salt and mix it well. And then you have to set aside the carrots and also potato. This is one of my favorite dishes, guys, like recipe. And also bell pepper or red pepper and green pepper, you have to stir fry. Don't stir it like so. Now set aside again. And then what I did, I add the pork meat. And as you can see, is lack of oil. I add 2 tablespoons of oil. So I can stir fry, like turn a little bit brown the meat. As you can see, and you have to make sure the meat is turn light brown. And also 1/2 of onion chopped. And 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. It's very delicious, and you can use chicken if you want, but the same ingredients, and also beef, guys. So 2 tablespoons of minced garlic I put. And then you have to cook the garlic and also the onion, not to cook, and then you have to mix with the meat. And then 1 tablespoon of beef powder or beef cubes, or beef or pork cubes or pork powder, either one, guys. So, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. You have to mix this really well. Now you have to simmer it, and you have to stir, making sure the meat is not get burned. And also a small can of tomatoes sauce. And then after that, guys, you have to simmer it. And then add 2 cups of water and boil it until the meat is soft. And 1 tablespoon of black pepper or corn pepper. So you have to boil or simmer the meat. So 3 leaves of bay leaves or full laurel and 2 tablespoons of raisins and or pasas. 1 can of olive, black olive or green olive, either one. Now you have to simmer it, or 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. And by the way, guys, I add this calderita mix powder and add potato and carrots. The 1 pack of calderita mix powder, I just put half. Yes, look. And then add the cheese. You cut the cheese like that much. It depends on you, or you can add 1/4 cup of green peas. This kind of recipe is delicious. And 3 tablespoons of sugar, either brown sugar or white sugar, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Or sometimes if you want, you can add like sausage. Hot dog, guys, they call sausage. Chicken sausage, beef sausage, or pork sausage. You can add also. So liver spread, 1 tablespoon liver spread. And then you have to make it well until and let it cook until the beef is soaked and sticky, the juice or soup, and also the red pepper and green pepper. And then salt to taste if you want, but I add the Nor seasoning soy sauce a little bit, like 1 tablespoon of soy sauce Nor seasoning. And you have to try it, guys, and that's it. Until the simmer it, and then the food is ready to serve. So shout out to all my subscribers, silent viewers. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm very busy because I went to Michigan. I flown in Michigan, guys, to visit my husband family. That's the reason I don't upload the videos. But I'm really sorry, guys. And thank you for support and coming back my YouTube channel. Please leave the comments and likes. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell.